In the 2023 release of Spotlight, you will benefit from a smoother rigging design and documentation workflow. Two-leg bridle insertion and behavior has been improved. Dead hang bridles can now be used as drops. The hoist continues to develop. And you will have far greater control over truss crosses. Two-leg bridle insertion and reshaping behavior has been substantially improved, bringing them in line with other bridle types. Enjoy more realistic bridle insertion. You will find two-leg bridles insert at 90 degrees to structural members whenever possible. Unlike three-leg bridles, two-leg bridles can now use already placed hoists as insertion points. If a hoist is used as an insertion point, it will be moved so that it is correctly lined up with the bridle's hanging points. You can now manually reshape two-leg bridles in a similar fashion to other bridle types. Simply double-click on the bridle and then use the blue reshape handles to make the edits. Again, just like three-leg bridles, two-leg bridles can use reshaping to connect them with already placed hoists. And all bridles can now be moved without resetting the bridle back to its default configuration. This will enable you to react to design changes more easily and efficiently. The Insert Connection tool and the Insert Drops command have both been updated to enable you to use dead hang bridles as drops between trusses, making it easier for you to accurately document the rigging steel you need for your drops. Truss crosses have had automatic classing controls added and are now symbol-based, giving you far more control over them in your designs. The rigging hoist continues to evolve based on your feedback in the 2023 release of Spotlight. New options for label text styles and classing for chains have been added to give you more control over hoist visual attributes in your design. The hoist tool itself is now more intelligent. If the chain of the hoist you're inserting is too short, a dead hang bridle will be automatically added to the hoist to document the extra rigging steel needed to reach the hanging point, enabling you to maintain your focus on designing. And a range of hoist selection context menu commands have been added to let you quickly select multiple hoists based on a range of criteria, such as select by name, select by function, or select by capacity. You'll also find the rigging documentation process has become more efficient. Your documentation will benefit from better integration between hoists and bridles, with hoists now being displayed on bridle assembly diagrams. New bridle leg data tag parameters have been added. You can use the bridle preferences to define which bridle data tags will be inserted with a bridle when you draw it, opening up completely new ways to document your bridles. And the hoist report command has had a range of new data options added, so that you can add more information into your hoist reports. You'll enjoy a more consistent and streamlined rigging workflow in Spotlight 2023, giving you the freedom to design without limits.